Hey, how you doing? This is Saeed Khan from affiliateship.com, and in this video we're going to talk about, is affiliate marketing a scam? And let me say it's absolutely not. Okay, so let's start from the outset by saying and confirming that affiliate marketing is not a scam. Okay, affiliate marketing is an established and respected business model and strategy that's been around since the mid 90s. It was during this decade that one of the biggest companies in the world, Amazon, was actually one of the early adopters and implementers of affiliate marketing, okay, with its Amazon Associates program. And since then, we've come a long way, and over time, the successful evolution of affiliate marketing has now made it a multi-billion industry. Multi-billion dollar industry, shall I say, where thousands of companies and individuals like you and me are participating and contributing to the industry. In addition to Amazon, companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Walmart, Disney, and thousands of other companies, big and small, are using affiliate marketing as a strategy to grow their business. And there's a few reasons why affiliate marketing has suffered some bad reputation, and I'm going to talk about two possible and very common reasons. Firstly, is because unfortunately there are a few minority of people and companies out there that may have misrepresented and operated affiliate marketing in a way that goes against the practices of the original business model. Okay, and to the extent that the US government, the FTC, has even had to go in and shut these companies down, as they were misleading and mistreating innocent consumers. Secondly, is that some people try affiliate marketing and they dabble in affiliate marketing for a while, and when they get little to no results, they think it's a scam and may go around calling it a scam and kind of promoting affiliate marketing as a scam as well. Also, there's been cases where where innocent people get scammed into the scam type of affiliate marketing opportunities, where they sell you thousands of dollars, high ticket type products, which really have no real value. And this happens a lot in the make money type opportunities, and these products end up being part of the compensation plan, which the scam companies are training you to promote the same line of products to other people, and the cycle just repeats itself. Yeah, so these innocent people, after losing their hard-earned money and unable to recoup their investments, end up out of pocket, feeling ripped off, upset and angry. And then they develop that mindset and the belief and understanding that affiliate marketing is just a scam, when in fact it is those scam type companies who structured their businesses in this way and misled these peoples. And then so that's how it works out. And I fully sympathize with the people who get misled and scammed and ripped off into buying these so-called products. It's the way they market to you. They make you believe and it's legit and everything. And to be honest, it could have been could happen to anyone who's looking to just make some money, additional money, or alternative way of making money other than a job. The real truth about marketing, affiliate marketing, in reality, the real truth about affiliate marketing is that it requires you to put some work and effort, okay, in order to have some chance of success. Okay, despite some of the companies propagating that you can get rich quick with no less with no work or less work or whatever. Okay, think about it. Affiliate marketing, in its simplest terms, is simply promoting someone else's product. When people take action from your promotions and your recommendations, then you earn a commission. Okay, so therefore you as an affiliate need to do the work of promoting the products, and if you don't promote, there's no chance of you making any money. So you have to do the work and of course promote genuine products using proven ethical marketing strategies. And if you're looking to for get rich quick ways of affiliate marketing, then your search may lead you to being exposed and introduced to these scam type opportunities, because some of these companies also promote their products as get rich, do nothing done for you, we make sales for you, etc. Opportunities. And you will only learn about how to do affiliate marketing the right way is by learning from the right people who are reputable and have had success in affiliate marketing. This is known as modeling someone successful in your industry who's been there, done that, and what you aspire to become. And it's one of the best ways of achieving success in a much faster and simpler way. And that's the approach I go by as well. I look at successful people who've been there, done that, what I would like to do, and I've learned from them. I purchase their books or training materials or whatever, and I just learn from them and just implement what I learn. All right. And so how to avoid your chances of being scammed and ripped off. Okay. So before buying into any products, you must do your research and due diligence, okay, to make sure these products that you're buying are genuine and of great value and likely to provide you with the outcome that you're looking for. So it's some way that you can go about minimizing your chance of getting ripped off, scammed, or misled. So that even after you get, because the thing is, once you go into buy these products, bad products, whatever, you end up thinking they don't work, okay, but it's the actual products, you're not probably buying the right products, right? So do research, do searches of reviews of the products that you are considering, you're looking into on Google, and check out some reviews from reputable and established review sites and see what the overall view of the reviews are, either positive or negative, okay? Check out some video reviews on YouTube, for example, and some will actually take you into the members area or demonstrate the actual product so you can see for yourself how these products are, okay? And you can also post questions on forums like Quora and Yahoo Answers, and ask people of their views of products, and you might find people who've actually purchased them, and they might reply back as well with their feedback. Researching the company and see if they are genuine, have proper support lines, customer services, contact, etc. You can even put the company name in Google and put review. You might find some useful information about the company that will help you, in your due diligence. And one thing I immediately do is switch off from, when I see a sales video, for a product where they advertise, luxury life of planes, cars, mansions, and with claims of making massive profits, money, income, in short period of time by not doing much, get rich quick and all that type of stuff. And when you try to leave those pages, they keep on pushing you to buy, using the exit pops and stuff like that. And these things, when you see it, it doesn't look right, okay? So in summary, I can show you that affiliate marketing is not a scam. It's just unfortunate that some of these companies and people are propagating the business model and in a negative way, and this will probably go on like this for some time. It's part of life. It's just you got to be careful and be wise and smart about it, and just do your research and find out what's what looks to be good and not good, okay? So what's important for you to know, that affiliate marketing is a genuine business model, and it's an ethical way for anyone to generate an income with affiliate marketing by simply promoting products that provide real value, are legit, and you as an affiliate make sure to market those products in an ethical, proven way. And if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and have real chance of success, learn from the right people, and then you can check out a free training for my affiliate marketing mentor, what I consider my mentor. He's a multiple 7-figure earner in affiliate marketing, and he's very successful. I'll put the link in the YouTube description below. You can check his training out. He's got a free workshop going. I don't know how long it'll be online for, but you can check her out and see for yourself, and you can learn a lot from there, okay? So that's about it for now. Hope it goes well for you, and just be careful out there. Make sure you try and not get scammed and ripped off, and hopefully you don't have a bad feeling about affiliate marketing and all that, okay? Because it's a genuine business model, and you can make a decent income if you do it the right way, from the right strategies, proven strategies. It's a fantastic business model, okay? So that's it for now, and if you like this video, please please like and subscribe and comment with this video on this video. And if you like some free resources on how to build an affiliate marketing business, follow if you go to affiliateship.com/free, and I'll put the link in the YouTube description below as well. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.